Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a bag review of my Chanel vanity case. So I feel like vanity cases are really popular right now. Chanel has been releasing a ton of new ones, from like the really tiny ones to the ones that kind of look like this as well. And I thought it would be a great alternative to show you guys my vintage vanity case because there are so many on the market right now. So if you're looking for that like vanity case look but you don't want to pay the crazy like prices that those bags are right now, I think vintage or secondhand is a great way to go. So that is why I'm going to be reviewing this with you today. I'll go over everything from like how much it fits and how I carry it as a handbag even though it is a vanity case, and then also I'll be sharing with you where I bought mine and also like where you can buy one as well if you are interested. So if you like these types of videos and you like handbags and reviews, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you go. I also do monthly giveaways on my channel as well as uploading twice a week, so there's plenty to see here. Alright, so let's just start off with the basics of this vanity case. So I bought mine used from eBay, I believe, and I believe that the store that I actually bought it from was like a consignment store that was selling on eBay, not just like a private seller. I will try to find more information out about that and leave it in the description box below if that is the case, but I do remember paying somewhere around $700 something. I remember it was less than $800, I believe, but yeah, it was really inexpensive. I hate saying those kinds of words when I'm talking about luxury, but it was a very good price compared to, you know, what these are sometimes going for, and especially a really good price compared to what they are being sold today, like at retail price in the boutique. Mine is a 9 series, I believe, and it is from 2004. This is one of my very favorite, no, probably my very favorite collection that Chanel has ever released. I have a classic medium flap in this exact same color as well, and I'm hoping to try and collect more pieces from this collection eventually. But yeah, this was an actually mint condition. I mean, I've seen these vanity cases being sold on secondhand markets for way more than what I bought mine for, and also in like worse condition. So I'm actually really surprised like how lucky I was to have found this. I also did get this authenticated, so the people who were asking me if I know that this was real, yes, it is real. I got it authenticated from 2 different websites, which I will leave down in the description box below as well in case you are, you know, wondering about that. So yeah, like I was saying, this is the 9 series from 2004 and it is in pink caviar. I don't know if you can see it up close. And then of course the hardware is gold as well, although there isn't much hardware. There is just the zipper, and also in the little tab there is a gold Chanel as well. And then there's really nothing else to it, no bells and whistles or anything, and of course there's just this Stitch CC logo as well. The bag obviously doesn't come with a strap, but I will actually talk about that in a little bit. When you open it up, it's just lined in, I believe this is just like leather lining, and I think that they did this because it's really wipeable, so if you have like a cloth interior, you know, if you do use this for makeup, which I guess it was intended to, it would be kind of harder to clean, but with this one it's really easy just to wipe anything that you may spill. The logo in the back is also really old. It doesn't even say like made in or anything. But like I said, I did get this authenticated, so that is just how it's been. The made in stamp is actually in the front right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then mine did come with an authenticity card, which is sometimes rare in older bags like this, but yeah, here it is. It is a 9 series, and I just keep mine in the back like this because there is a little pocket in the back that I actually never use if I'm using this bag. Alright, so yeah, very basic. It's so simple. I mean, I don't know too much about the vanity cases that are being released right now, but I kind of feel like they are really similar because really what more can you do with the vanity case? Alright, so let's just go ahead and show you guys what fits in here. It looks like it can fit a lot. However, if you are carrying this as a handbag and using some sort of strap, I wouldn't recommend that you carry so much in here, especially if you have like heavier items, just because I'm really worried about the like leather tabs up here if they're gonna hold if like you do carry a lot of stuff. So I personally wouldn't ever stuff this to the brim, but I will actually show you guys how much stuff you can carry in case you did want to carry, you know, this to the fullest. Alright, so I just have my Gucci bag here. This is like my latest one. If you haven't watched my unboxing, I will link it down below for you guys. So I'm going to be transferring everything that I have into this bag. So first I have my little mini pochette. I just keep like my loose makeup items in here, my hair baubles, everything like that. Anything that's like loose in my bag, I like to just throw it in my mini pochette. So that actually does fit like that. Next I have my little AirPods. All of the little items are obviously going to fit in really well. I have my little brush slash mirror. I have my Chanel iridescent card case, which I use as a wallet. And then I also have my phone. This is the Samsung Note 10 Plus, so it's a really, really big phone. And you can fit it in here, but you kind of have to put it in diagonally. So I'm going to just rearrange the items really quick. Alright, so I kind of put everything diagonal like that. Oh no, I just ruined it. So yeah, as you can see, there is still plenty of room to put more stuff in. Alright, next I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch with my car key fob hanging out. Just put that in there. So honestly, this is probably like as much as I would put in here if I was using this bag. But like I said, I will show you like more does fit in here if you are curious. So I'm going to throw out my little lint roller in here. So many people ask me about this. Like all of you guys who have pets just like me and you need to carry a lint roller. So I will link one of these down below as well. So I'll just throw that in there. And then next I have a hand lotion, which I'll just put in there. I'll put my little sanitizing spray. I have a little portable charger that I can put right here on the top. Now, this is getting very, very full and heavy. It's probably going to be hard, like, rummaging around everything in there since there's no, like, organized compartments or anything. But yeah, it does hold a lot of stuff. Alright, so I'm literally running out of stuff to put in here, so I'll just throw my Sriracha keychain in here and then call it good. I feel like I always struggle to like fill up my bags with stuff. Let me know in the comment section down below like what essentials you carry that like maybe I haven't ever showed or thought of, because like I'm curious to know like what you guys would put in your bags as well. Alright, so yeah, here we go. It is pretty full, but as you can see, you can definitely close it comfortably and then it just looks like this. I feel like if you're carrying it just like hand carrying it like this for some reason, you could probably, you know, keep this amount of stuff in it. I mean, it is heavy, but like because you were using it with the strap provided, I feel a little bit more comfortable with it. But like I said, if I can avoid it, I probably wouldn't stuff it this much because I am afraid for the strap. So yeah, let me just take a little bit of stuff out and then I will show you how I actually, you know, carry it with a handle as well. So I think one of the cool things about this vanity case is that it is so durable. I mean, it is like the Chanel Caviar, and I do feel like the Caviar has changed like from the ones that they made in the past to the ones that they make now. Actually, let me try to show you what I mean. So here I have my Cocoa handle that's also in Caviar, and this was from a 2020 collection. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell if I put it up close, but the Caviar in the vanity case is like a little bit more flat, and then the Caviar on the Cocoa handle is kind of like more puffy, I guess, and like the grains just look completely different to me in my opinion. And I don't know if like one is more durable than the other, but I do feel like the puffier one and this one is just like, I don't know how to describe it. It just doesn't feel as sturdy to me, if that makes any sense. I'm probably being crazy, and you guys probably don't even notice a difference, but I notice a difference, and I think it's real. Anyways, back to the vanity case. Yeah, I just think that this is really, really hard wearing, and, you know, if you do want to carry it as a bag, you know, besides the fact that you probably have to watch out for the handle a little bit, I think that this bag is really, really carefree, so that is one of the reasons why I love it. Alright, so in the past, I've actually used, like, a chain, and I've tried to hook it to these like two little leather bits right here. However, that has recently scared me because I just don't think that these two tiny pieces of leather are like meant to put that much strain on it. So I actually have stopped doing that, but I guess you could do it too if you wanted to. But like I said, I just don't recommend that because I'm really worried that, you know, that'll cause damage to the bag. So what I've actually been doing is using a twilly. So what I actually like to do is wrap my twilly all around the handle, so just a couple of times like this. The handle is really, really small, so I've just wrapped it a couple of times, and then I make sure that the straps are like on opposite sides of the handle, so one strap is like this, and one strap is like that, and then I just tie it at the top. And then there you go, you have a little handle for your bag. So yeah, this one is really small, but obviously there's different sizes of twillies. This one just happens to be a little bit shorter. So then you can carry it like this. Sorry, I'm wearing sweats. YouTuber life. Okay, so yeah, so it just looks like this, and it is really comfortable to carry. I don't know, what do you guys think of this look? I think it's super cute, and I think it's cool how you can like switch up the strap if you wanted to by carrying, you know, different kinds of twillies and stuff. And I just think it looks really cute. You can also maybe tie the strap a little bit shorter to make it like a top handle kind of deal if you don't want to carry it as a shoulder bag. And I just feel like there's so many things that you can do with like twillies and stuff. So yeah, I just feel like this is a little bit safer than, you know, clamping a chain onto here. But if you guys have any other like ideas of how I would carry this bag or how to carry bags like this, you know, using a twilly or using some sort of strap, please also let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I'm just not being creative enough, but yeah, this is just what I've been doing, and I think it works really, really well. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to, you know, use this bag crossbody with this method. Well, maybe if I used like a ribbon or something, that would kind of work, but yeah, I haven't been able to use this bag crossbody, but I think it's just cool to have like an option to carry on the shoulder. And I mean, to be honest, if I am carrying this bag, I like to carry it in my hand because I think it just looks really cute and dainty, and then the, you know, twilly is just there in case I do need to be hands-free. So that is how I've carried the bag in the past. Not that I use this bag that much, but I mean, I do have like moments where I really want to carry something like fun and quirky and unique, and that is mostly when I bring this bag out. Alright, I'm just gonna replace my Kelly here and put this vanity case up here so that you guys can look at it while we're talking about the rest of the stuff. So the vintage vanity case, and I'm calling it the vintage vanity case because they don't make this style exactly like this anymore. They do have like a newer version, but instead of like the CC being stitched, it's actually like patched onto here, and of course there is a strap with the newer version as well. But for all of those new features, you are going to be paying thousands more. I think that the new vanity cases are like in the $3,000 price range. It's crazy. It's very, very expensive. You can find these vanity cases in a variety of different colors, like this exact style. So I have mine in pink, obviously, but I've seen them in like black and red and beige. I've seen them in so many different colors, and I will try to leave as many as I can down in the description box below. They do sell these all over the place. I've seen them from websites like Fashionphile to, you know, sites like eBay where I bought mine. So obviously they are on the market right now. And yeah, like I was saying, I just think it's a great option if you are looking for that style, but you don't want to pay, you know, like the crazy price tags the newer vanity cases are. I also do want to stress that you should get your items authenticated if you are going pre-loved. Like I said, I will leave the authentication websites that I use down in the description box below, so just be careful when you're buying stuff. I know I got a really good deal on mine, but these vanity cases are being sold from anywhere, you know, like from the 700s where I bought mine to like the $1,000, $2,000 range. I personally wouldn't pay $2,000 for a vanity case like this, but I do feel like right now the prices range around $1,000, which is still very, very, very expensive for what you're buying, but compared to the newer retail prices, it's not that bad. Alright, so that was all for my video. I hope that you enjoyed my little review of my vintage vanity case. Let me know in the comment section down below if you love this bag, if you hate it, if you want one. Yeah, just let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. And before I go, I just wanted to remind you guys of February's giveaway. I'm teaming up with Love Shop. They are an online retail store where they sell really cute and girly items. We're giving away this bucket bag that I've talked about on my channel before that I know that you guys love. She is kindly gifting me a brand new one to give away to you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can comment in as many videos as you like in the month of February, but only on the videos that I've uploaded in this month. So if you comment on my older videos, while I do still very appreciate it, it's not going to be entered into this contest. I'm sorry. So yeah, you can enter like one comment per video, and all of those will count as separate entries. Please also make sure that you're leaving your Instagram username in those comments so that I can, you know, check if you're following me on there and also message you if you do win. The only other rules are that you have to be obviously subscribed to me here on YouTube, and then also please be following me and with Love Shop on Instagram. I will leave all of the details down in the description box below, and I will pick a giveaway winner on February 28th. Is that the last day of February? Yeah, on the last day of February. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you're staying safe and healthy out there, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own